gonna try it for the first time, the Hyper Tow vehicle ramps from Walmart. Looks good. Beautiful. Perfect. Let me show you. We are going to do an oil change, the third oil change in a 2025 Nissan Pathfinder. And at the same time, we are testing this Hyper Tow Walmart ramp. It's a 12,000 pounds, but each of them can hold until 3,000. I don't know how that works, but it says here rated capacity 3,000 each, 6,000 per pair, and 12,000 gross weight or something like that. Is when your vehicle is loaded and has the 7 people inside and some cargo, I believe. That's what I read. And there you go. Works for me. They look sturdy. They have good reviews. Some guys has used it for heavy trucks. And this vehicle is less than 5,000 pounds, so it's gonna be alright, hopefully.